The servo orifice control valve is a timing device. It prevents engine flare at wide throttle openings on a 2-3 upshift. It also stops transmission tie-up, that is, being momentarily in 2 gears during a 3-2 downshift. It's a shuttle valve, which can be held at rest by a spring to allow unrestricted fluid flow. Or it can be moved by governor pressure to insert a restricting orifice in the front band servo release circuit. At low vehicle speeds, governor pressure is not high enough to move the valve. When the 2-3 upshift occurs, fluid flows unrestricted to the release side of the front servo. This type of shift occurs at light throttle openings, so the rapid clutch and band actuation does not cause engine flare. At wider throttle openings, vehicle speeds are higher before an upshift occurs. So governor pressure will have built up enough to move the valve, so fluid must now pass through the orifice. This slows the release at the front band and ensures the rear clutch is fully applied and able to transmit torque as the band comes off. This prevents engine flare. On a downshift at high vehicle speeds, the orifice slows the release of fluid from the release side of the front servo and therefore the reapplication of the front band. Then the rear clutch comes off as the band is applied, preventing a lockup in the transmission.